One of the most exciting tools in Read and Write, in my opinion, is the text simplifier. Let's say that you send your students to several web pages and you would like them to research a particular topic, like I have chosen here Mayan ruins in Mexico. Once they go to the web pages, you notice that there are a lot of images associated with the text. Some don't even have anything to do with what the text is talking about, and then you have these ads popping at the bottom all the time. These are sources of distraction for the students, and especially students with IEPs. Some of these students tend to get distracted very easily. Also, English learners can become overwhelmed by the amount of information on the page. So the text simplifier basically is this tool here, and let me show you what it does. Notice that there are no images associated with the text now, all simple text. But it goes even further, reducing the lexile levels of the reading and simplifying for word count and also for complicated words in the text. You choose Discover, and also you start reducing the amount of text. Now you can see that only some of the most important information in the text have been left. Also, the information is not completely gone. For example, if you click on the link associated with a word or a couple of words that the reading itself is containing. Great advantage when students are trying to save time, also to reduce the level of reading, because as you know, there are many students that might not get to the reading that you give them all through because they are slow readers, because they have a disability, because of language issues. So this is a very helpful tool to most students, not only English language learners. I can think about native speakers who have challenges in reading.